I love my look today. So hi guys, I'm Pasta and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought of sharing my go-to poses with you guys through which I click good pictures for Instagram or thumbnails. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into it. So the first pose that I'm going to be talking about is an outfit pose, and I obviously had to share this because I'm in fashion and lifestyle related YouTuber and influencer. So outfit of the days are my go-to thing. So I'm going to shift this side just like this. And here's the picture that I'm talking about. Like, it is sort of an invisible heel, but like mainly a walking pose. This actually gives you a little bit of height as well and makes you like look taller in the pictures. And this is the reason why you just can't tell कि मैं 5'3" हूँ, 5'3" नहीं हूँ, 5'4", मतलब somewhere in middle of that only. I freaking love this pose. You can smile or you can just play around with your hair, because the main reason we feel awkward in front of the camera is when we're not doing anything with our hands. Like अगर हाथ खाली है ना तो obviously हम कुछ like will feel awkward. It won't look like natural or कुछ भी, मतलब बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं. So you can actually roll your sleeves or maybe just play around with your hair as I just mentioned, or just put your hand in your pocket, and you can do multiple things. Okay, like I'm just talking here so I can laugh and be like ha ha ha. Okay, that was awkward. I think I should probably put the pictures here and not demonstrate them because that will be really awkward. So moving on to the second pose, which is if you're really like very shy in front of the camera, then you can just click pictures like these wherein you just can't see the expressions on your face, like basically the entire outfit. Or maybe these pictures like we see all over the Instagram, they just look super cool and you can actually see the get an idea of the entire outfit as well. So this looks very Tumblr-ish and Pinterest sort of pictures. So I really like these pictures, and I have myself clicked only once or twice. मैं मैंने काफी सारे खींचे हुए हैं, नहीं बोला चाहिए. So moving on. I don't know, मैं इतनी confused क्यों होती हूँ वीडियो में. Although I have the script, I try and stay on track with the script, but कभी भी नहीं हो पाता है. But anyways, let's move on to the third. So the third one is just look away, because अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता है. पहले मैंने मुंडी काट दिया, अब you just have to look away. You can be like talking to someone and you're like hey, oh hi, and I don't know what, but just look away. And moreover, if you're curvy, and unlike me, मैं नहीं हूँ. Last video में किसी ने मुझे comment भी किया था, you're not curvy, so stop calling yourself that. I agree to that, but I still have a little bit of belly fat, so I believe कि हर किसी को पतला लगना पसंद है यार. Pictures में even my mom tells me कि साइड से लियो, हाँ पतला लगना चाहिए. So I have a tip for that also. Like if you're wearing skirt, jeans, shorts, or whatever it is, just put your hands on your waist, and that will actually give an illusion of an hourglass figure and also separate your lower body from your upper body, which actually makes you look slimmer, I believe. So that's that. Now moving on to the fourth thing. You just have to pose with your favorite food, and the best part is that you don't have to worry about smiling, क्योंकि खाना तो किसी को भी खुश कर देता है, right? Moreover, these can be candid, as in you're eating a burger or just casually grabbing a drink. So I love clicking pictures with food, and also खाना खाने को मिलता है, and sometimes I in between shoots I'm like ये वाला outfit हम खाते हुए कर लेंगे, right? Because I just need food. पता नहीं मैं क्यों इतनी irrelevant चीजें बोलने लग रहा. Anyways, on to the last pose, which is make use of what you already have. Like if you have a car, if you have a scooty, घर का gate, घर का sofa, mirror, or whatever the hell it is, just make use of that. I mean, even if you're just standing on a bus stop or metro station and waiting for someone, just click a picture of your feet as well. वो भी बहुत cool लगता है, like ऊपर से details वाला pose. You can see you can clearly see your outfit as well. Moreover, I believe that clicking pictures in car or scooty looks much more cool and very natural and really nice. So that was my tip. But I literally just experimented with this content. I have never posted anything like this. So let me know if you like this and want me to want me to make more videos like these, and I would love to do that. So make sure you mention it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye. Call मुझे बारह कर लेना चाहिए. 2 years, 2 year ना. Just
yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.